Guys, it's Katie here, and in this video I want to go over the online business lounge for you guys, and I want to share with you guys what exactly you are getting access to when you decide to purchase access to the lounge, and what exactly what bonuses you guys will be getting as well. So let's go ahead and go over the lounge really quick, and just look over here and I'll show you what you will be getting access to. So the first thing that we see here is when you are on the home page here, I would like you to book an initial strategy session with me. If you haven't yet, you will just go ahead and click here and book an initial strategy session. The goal of this session is to create or to help you create a plan of action and what exactly you need to do in order to start making money online. And this is absolutely crucial, but I suggest you only book it once you go through some of these trainings here. For example, at least the online success blueprint trainings, and maybe digital product creation course, some affiliate marketing, and the new program that will be uploaded in here is the coaching program setup. So if you'd like to set up your own coaching program, that's where you're going to be learning exactly how to do that. And I know a lot of us, or all of us actually, know something that other people would like to know and that other people are looking to learn. So there is a topic that you are a master of, and I'm sure people are willing to pay money for it to learn this. So here you'll learn exactly how to set up that coaching program where you can coach people on that specific topic. So I would suggest to go through some of these trainings at least to kind of have an idea of what exactly you want to do online, whether it is you want to do affiliate marketing or creating your own online course, or if you want to set up your own coaching program, so you have an idea, before we jump on this call here, you have an idea of what exactly you're interested in learning first. So let's just go ahead and go through the lessons here, and I'll show you exactly, what you will be learning. So in this online success blueprint, I'm teaching you how I got started online and what exactly I did to focus on and to build a foundation that is helping me create a long-term online success. So once you go through the first lesson, you would just click the button to watch the next lesson, and so on. You just watch one by one and go through the trainings that you are interested in, or just go step by step and just click here to watch the next lesson. So the next thing that we see here is digital product creation course. After you go through the fundamentals, this is where I teach you how to set up your own online course, how to put it together, how to set it up in the membership site, and how to make sure you have everything set up and ready for you to sell online. I also go over some traffic strategies that you could use once you complete all the steps here and your course is ready to be sold. I do go over some traffic strategies as well. So the next thing, as I mentioned, is the coaching program setup. That's something that I'm still working on. It's going to be uploaded in here as soon as it's done, so you'll know how to set up your own coaching program and how to make money doing coaching, how to offer your coaching sessions, and how to work with people and share with them what it is that that they want to learn and help them out on their journey. So the next few trainings here is all about affiliate marketing, how to succeed with affiliate marketing, how to absolutely crush it online by selling affiliate products. So these are the next lessons here that I go over here with you guys. The lead capture mastery here is a training that I've had here before, but it is outdated, so I am creating a new lead capture mastery course for you guys that I will be uploading in here. And this course is going to be all about how to create your own ebook, how to put together and or buy rights to an already created ebook and edit the ebook as your own, and how to put together a funnel for it and how to offer it to people as a freebie to get their lead in exchange. And not only that, you will also learn how to sell something on the back end of this funnel that you're going to be putting together. So whether it is affiliate product that you want to sell, as soon as they opt in and get your freebie, or your own product, or offer your coaching program, or anything else that you want to sell on the back end, I will show you how to put together that funnel that will have a freebie on the front end and a product that you want to sell on the back end. The next tab that we see here is the 7-Figure Earners Mastermind. This is basically a few interviews that I did with 7 and 8-figure earners who share with you and teach you how to do marketing, how to build your brand, and how to do different things that will help you on your journey when you are building your online business. The next tab that we see here is social media marketing. The first course here that I have for you guys talks about how to get 100 plus free leads a day from Facebook. And it's not just free random leads, it's actually targeted leads who are interested in whatever it is that you have to offer. So I'm teaching you exactly how to get those free leads from Facebook, and you'll learn all about it in the lead capture strategy course here. The next one here is Facebook Marketing Mastery. That's where I go over and teach you guys about Facebook ads, how to set up a high converting Facebook ad. The next one is Instant Sales with Instagram. That's a new course that I will be adding in here. The YouTube Marketing Mastery is all about how to succeed with YouTube, how to build your channel, how to create a great content for your YouTube channel, how to make sales with YouTube, and all about YouTube. Also, obviously about SEO and keyword, how to use the right keywords to get more views to your videos and all those fun things that has to do with YouTube. So the next thing here is another new course that I will be adding in here that I wanted to update. I've had a course here, but I removed it, and I will be updating this course, the Email Marketing Master, and teaching all about email marketing, how to do email marketing right, how to write great high converting emails and copy, and how to make sure your emails actually convert into sales. I will share with you the strategies and tips and everything that I do when I do email marketing. I have been getting incredible feedback from those who are receiving my emails, that they absolutely love my emails. They keep checking their email to see, if they got any email from me. I've been incredibly blessed to have come across mentors who have actually taught me how to do email marketing right, to make sure it converts. So, and the next thing here, I just have a bonus for you guys here. So this is basically what you will be getting access to when you are becoming a member of the Online Business Lounge. I look forward to seeing you on the inside. If you're not a member yet, go ahead and check out the link below this video and join. I can't wait to see you on the inside. I'm excited for you to get started, to learn all these things and start taking action and implementing all these things, whatever it is that you're learning. I will also go over the bonuses with you guys. If you decide to get this, now I have a few bonuses for you guys as well. So go ahead and check out the link below this video. As I said, this will lead you to this page right here, where you can learn more about what the Online Business Lounge is all about, and just check out different results and testimonials and everything that I have here for you guys about it. Go ahead and just go over it. And the bonuses that I have for you guys, I will just go ahead and go over them really quick. So you will get access to a Getting Started with Affiliate Marketing masterclass. That's an additional bonus to the lounge, and you will also get how to choosing a product to promote masterclass. If you want to do affiliate marketing, this would be a great bonus for you guys as well. You also get access to the funnel creation course, which talks about and teaches all about how to create a high converting funnel. And you also get access to our private Facebook community group, where you can engage, ask questions, learn from the members of the group. And I cannot wait to see you guys on the inside. Go ahead and check out the link that you see below the video. And I'm looking forward to seeing you on the inside of the lounge. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel here if you haven't yet. I would love to have you as a member of my YouTube family here. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video.